Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, my vlog for today guys. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Cold Stores kasi magbili po ako ng aming lunch. So ayan, nandito po ako sa Cold Stores guys. So bibili po tayo ng tights na chicken o beef. So, ngayon, maghanap tayo ng tights na chicken, guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan dito, guys. Kasi magawa daw sila ng barbecue. Pork naman to. Wala, parang walang tights, guys. Walang tights. Wala, Jud. Kumusta po ang lahat? Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Sana po nasa mabuting kalagayan kayo. So, ayan, wala talaga akong nakita na na tights. Wala siyang tights, guys. So, doon tayo sa beef. Doon tayo sa beef. Minced beef. Kasi ngayon, guys, gagawa po ako ng sisot. Hala, mura lang ngayon. Nag-ano sila nag-sale. Ngayon guys, $4 na lang. Instead na $9, $4 na lang siya. Nagmura sila ngayon. So, kailangan natin tayo magbili ng tatlong. Pero siguro maliit lang to eh. Dapat 4 na. Ay, hindi pala to fresh. Ito ang fresh. Kailangan natin ng fresh guys. Ayaw natin ng ano. Kailangan natin ng fresh. Kasi sa meat, $9 siya, medyo mahal, pero kailangan na din ng fresh. Kasi ayaw kong bumili ng hindi fresh, guys. Although fresh naman yun, pero parang ano na ba, iba ng kulay. Wala na itong mahal, basta at least ano siya, yung fresco siya ba. Diba? So, 3 lang bilhin natin kasi medyo frozen yata yun eh. Wala namang. Uncle, do you have fresh tight? Chicken tights?
I'm not sure. Of course, tight.
Okay. So, wala daw silang ano, wala daw silang ano. Ay. Boneless. Chicken boneless naman to eh. Chicken fillet, chicken boneless, chicken leg, chicken breast. So wala sigurong ano, chicken tights. Parang walang chicken tights, guys. Ano ba natin ito mahanap? Pero siguro nandoon sa frozen eh. Yata sa frozen. Ano to, guys? Grabe yung balat ng baboy. $1 lang pala siya. Kaya ng ano ba? $1 siya. May mga ano buto-buto din dito pero napakamahal siya. Medyo mahal masyado. Mahal ang mga baboy dito, guys. Ito may ano, may atay. Pero wala silang heart. Kailangan ko yung heart. Maghanap tayo ng chicken frozen. Chicken frozen, guys. Wala tayong nahanap na chicken frozen dito yata. So, ano ito? Yung mga chicken nuggets. Ito, may ano dito in charge. Maghanap tayo. Ito. Good morning. Can I ask you something? Where is that chicken tights?
No Thai? Fresh?
Yes. We have fresh. I think we don't have.
Fresh. Only fresh. No.
We don't
Frozen
have-
is 1 kilo.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
But if we have a fresh and then it's better.
Okay. Oh, you prefer fresh? We take a look fresh, alright?
Yes, thank you so much. So, ayan guys, hanapan na niya ako ng chicken thighs, chicken thighs.
Chicken breast.
All there is breast.
Chicken breast.
And-
Leg. This is leg with the thigh.
This one, it's a lot thighs.
This is
bone
thigh,
in
yes.
thigh.
Bone in.
Bone in and
Yes.
thigh.
It's only thigh.
No,
Sun
I
drumsticks. This is boneless.
we need a thigh
Just thigh? But it's bone in. No
because
boneless.
we're doing barbecue.
Can?
This one can
Can. But with bone.
with
This
bone.
One, this one is drumsticks with thigh. It's a whole leg.
Boneless,
Drumsticks and a thigh. But it's boneless. You can pick. You can choose. This is just only a thigh itself with the bone. This
With
one
the
is
bone.
With
I
the
think
bone.
without bone.
With the bone is
We
this.
have frozen.
Frozen, I don't know. Can we check?
Thank
we
you.
check.
So ayan guys, naghanap pa kami ng boneless chicken. Boneless chicken.
Don't have.
Don't
Chicken
have.
wings, chicken drums, then the whole leg boneless. Same.
It's really difficult.
Chicken wing, yeah.
No thighs, right?
I know chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast, all chicken breast. Yeah, chicken breast, all breast.
Okay, thank you. I will
rather you take that.
ask my mom.
That's better.
Thank you. So, hanggang tanungin muna natin yung amo natin guys, no? Kasi hindi ko alam kung with boneless ba, no? With bone and thighs. Kasi itong nakalagay dito chicken bone in thighs. So, ang sinabi ng amo ko is, ang gusto lang chicken thighs. So, ito kasi with bone siya. Hindi pwede ito sa barbecue guys, kasi pag once sa barbecue thighs lang. So, ayan, tatanungin natin yung amo natin ngayon. So, see you later sa aking vlog.